Hello beautiful souls, thank you so very much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon too. In today's video we're going to talk about Essence Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup Foundation from Essence, and it claims that it is strong matte effect, waterproof and buildable coverage. Now the shade I have gone for is Cool Porcelain, which is definitely not my shade. It is quite lighter than my skin tone, but then it was not available. It is definitely lightweight and all, that's what it claims. We're going to see to that, and it retails for 475 rupees. We can definitely avail the steering discount, and these 5 shades are available in Flipkart. I have nothing on my face. One side I would be using it with a stippling brush, and the other side I'll be using a sponge. Now you just have to shake it really well before you use it. That's what it had said in the box. Now it has this dropper kind of a thing. You can just drop it onto the back of your hand or a palm or wherever you feel it is safe and clean. And then with the back side of my brush, I'm definitely gonna dot it all over half side of my face, because half side, as I said, would be using a stippling brush. Now little goes a long way, and this particular foundation you have to work really fast because this tends to like dry up quick, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's just what that's just what I'm doing. Since it is not my skin tone, not my shade, it's looking quite lighter, but then also it does not oxidize that much. But if you put on rest of your makeup, it definitely looks good, which I'll show you towards the end of this video. Coming back to its how it worked upon my skin, like it definitely hides redness and everything for sure, but definitely does not cover your, like if you have acne spots, like I have a little birthmark on my left cheek and all, that does not hide that one. But then yeah, if it is a very medium coverage foundation, it is definitely waterproof and it feels very light on your skin. This can be your everyday foundation as well. Now once on my left side, your right side, I'll be using a sponge, as I said, because I wanted to see how it what sort of a coverage it gives with different sort of tools. And in fact I have used I've been using this for more than couple of years, a couple of months actually now, and I'm really liking this particular foundation. It is so lightweight and medium coverage, and what do I even say about it is, it claims it is matte finish, but I would not say it is matte finish. It is like a demi matte finish kind of a thing. If you set it, then it becomes like matte, but usually it is just not a matte finish, like matte kind of a finish. It is like demi matte kind of finish. Now we will try to build it up, because it says it's a buildable formula. Now when we generally try to build our foundation, what happens is the layer which I have put before, it tends to come out with the second layer, if you know what I'm talking about. But with this, it does not. It definitely just sits in. The first layer just sits into your skin just so beautifully, like a butter. And then if you can build it, you can just definitely build it. It gives more coverage, and you can do rest of your makeup, and there you go. You apply your blush, your etc., whatever you want to. It definitely looks natural, and this can be your daily wear foundation as well. This is definitely for dry to normal skin people, I guess, not for oily people. But I'm really loving this particular foundation. So small, very travel friendly packaging, definitely to go for.